Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we will be showing you another tutorial video of fix inaccurate date and time in WhatsApp. So if you're having trouble in fixing your inaccurate time and date in WhatsApp, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So stick with me till the end, and one of these is bound to work. And let's start with the quickest fix. The first one is set automatic date and time in the most common solution. In Android, you need to go to settings and go to system, and again go to date and time and turn on the use network provided time and use network provided time zone in Android. But if you are an iOS user, then you need to go to your settings, and after going to the setting, you just need to scroll a little up and go to the option like general, and after general you just need to search a little up and go to the option date and time, and here you need to just enable the set automatically. Just tap on the set automatically and your time and date will be active automatically according to your time and zone. And then just need to restart your phone. Simple but often effective. Just restart device to refresh all the settings, and there will be no any issues while doing so. And third is like you need to just check the time zone settings. So even if the time is correct, mismatched time zone can cause issues. Make sure it matches your actual location where you are, and then you won't be facing any kind of issues. And the fourth is update WhatsApp. So you might be in the oldest version of WhatsApp, so you might be facing the error issues. So go to your app store. After going to the app store, you just need to search the related app in which you are facing error right now, that is WhatsApp. After going to the WhatsApp, there will be the option like update your app if it's available. If not, then skip it, that option. Sometimes updating app also fixes your issues. If updating app didn't help, it's time to clear the app cache, especially on Android. Here's how. So go to settings, app or management, and you need to find your WhatsApp and tap the storage and cache, and then hit the clear cache, and this clears your all out old data that might be causing issues. And if you are on iPhone user, then just need to go to settings. After going to the settings, you need to go to the option general and go to the option iPhone storage and search the app WhatsApp, and here you can see the option offload app. Click on the offload app, tap on the offload app, and there will be the option like reinstall app. Now tap on the reinstall app and your WhatsApp app will be reinstalled on a device within a very few seconds. And that's how you can just solve your problem. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves the stubborn problems, and then there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your account, and if it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.